Howdy howdy howdy. I am a little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 1963 installation, Cinemat, by the artist George Segal. Segal was born in Great Neck, New York, in 1934. He is known for his 1992 public sculpture, Gay Liberation Monument, that is located in Sheridan Square in New York City. The work consists of two white bronze statues. It depicts a gay couple who were friends of the artist. Cinema is an example of his work with white plaster casts of people in environments containing furniture, walls, doors, windows, and other situational props. It is the first work in which the artist employed electricity, and is the only work he made in which light is an integral part of the composition. This work inspires me to take moments from real life and expand upon them in my art practice. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.